last class we discussed about the concept regarding the basic terms in accounting. Various terms is there in the basic terms is there in the accounting. About that the terms already discussed. Now, so it is enough. First chapter is enough. So in this video, I will start second unit number 2. In the first unit, introductions to accounting, to discuss already about introduction. You know that detailed information in that the chapters with the meaning of accounting and definition, and then objectives, and the branches of accounting, and then what are the main important basic terms in accounting we will discuss in the afterwards. After understanding the meaning and definition and introduction of the accounting. So in this video, we have to start about the theoretical information about the accounting. You know, here that chapter is called as theory based on accounting. So here in this video, in the second unit, this is the second unit. Second unit. The second unit is theory based of accounting. Theory based of accounting. So in this video, we have to concentrate in the certain theoretical information of the accounting. What theory? You know, here certain principles, procedures, postulates, accounting concepts. Gap is there, no? Generally accepted accounting principles is there. About that terms we can discuss. See here. Before that, here. So in the theory base of accounting, in these chapters, this theory base of accounting consisting regarding the informations of principles, concepts, rules and guidelines developed over a period of time for maintaining the uniformity and accountancy, consistency to the process of accounting. Here in this is the theory base of accounting to maintain in the preparations of the financial statement, in the preparations of the accounts, to maintain the uniformity and consistency. So that purpose we have to understand here certain rules, certain concepts, certain postulates, certain procedures, certain rules. There. Now we have to different. We have to understand here principles about principles of accounting, the rules of accounting, the postulates of accounting, postulates. And then basic information, rules and regulations regarding the chapters. In this chapters we have to discuss. And then in this here one of the main important regulatory body of standard maintaining the standardization of accounting policies. Here one of the standardization regulatory body is there. One of the regulatory body is there for maintaining the standardization of accounting. Which one is that? That is the Institute of Chartered Accountants of India. We called as an ICAI. ICAI. We called ICAI. It is one of the main important regulatory body for standardization of accounting policies, or accounting principles, or accounting rules and concepts regarding that accounting. In case of any rules, any policies, any rules is there, policies is there, concepts is there, that only formulated, maintained by this body, the regulatory body for maintaining the rules or concepts or rules or principles are maintained. It is the ICAI, Institute of Chartered Accountant of India. One mark to get. Which one is the regulatory body for maintaining the standardization of accounting? Standardization of accounting principles, accounting policies. Which one is the regulatory body of maintaining the accounting policies? That is the ICAI, Institute of Chartered Accountant of India. This regulatory body is to maintaining the certain accounting policies. Or if you want to maintain accounts, regarding that maintaining accounts, certain rules and required rules and regulations are required. That rules and regulations are formalized. One more thing, expansion of ACAI. And then also this is that information not consisting. This is under the theory base of accounting, we are to mainly concentrating the principles of accounting. We are to this. One of the heading is there. Gap is there. Gap. See here, that is here the gap means generally gap expanded as gap. Kept in our mind. It is very very important for the part of examination. GAAP, gap, expanded as generally accepted accounting principles. Very very important for one more. Gap, expand gap. Gap expanded as generally accepted accounting principles. So in this, the gap is one of the main important concepts regarding that accounting. In that accounting, here, in order to maintain the uniformity and consistency of accounting records, certain rules or principles have been developed which are generally accepted by the accounting professions. Here for maintaining certain financial statements and accounting and maintaining the certain regarding that maintaining the consistency and uniformity of accounting records, we have certain principles are accepted from the accounting professions. Here what is that the rules are called as different name. These kind of whatever rules and regulations, whatever the principles are required for maintaining the consistency, maintaining the consistency and then uniformity of the accounting are required certain rules and regulations. That is certain principles. That the principles are called in the different name. What is called here accounting principles? We call that kind of principles, that kind of rule are called as different terms. What are the accounting principles? Concepts, convention, postulates, assumption or modified principles. Here the accounting principles we are called in different terms. What are that? Accounting principles, accounting rules, accounting concepts, accounting principles, accounting conventions of accounting, and then postulates of accounting, assumptions of accounting, and then modified principles. So these are all the we have to use different names for maintaining the account. So this is different name. ಅಂದರೆ ನಾವು ಒಂದು ಅಕೌಂಟ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಕರೀಬೋದು ಅಥವಾ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಹೆಸರು ಕೂಡ ಇದೆ. ಪಾಸ್ಚುಲೇಟ್ಸು, ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಲ್ಸು, ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ಸು, ರೂಲ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕೂಡ ಅದು ಇದೆ, ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಕನ್ವೆನ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಪಾಸ್ಚುಲೇಟ್ಸು, ಅಸಂಪ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಇವೆಲ್ಲನೂ ಕೂಡ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಅದೆಲ್ಲವೂ ಕೂಡ ಒಂದೇ ಅಕೌಂಟಿಂಗ್ ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಲ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದೇ, ಅಕೌಂಟಿಂಗ್ ಪಾಸ್ಚುಲೇಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದೇ, ಅಕೌಂಟಿಂಗ್ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದೇ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಇವೆಲ್ಲನೂ ಕೂಡ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಹಿಯರ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದಟ್ ಗ್ಯಾಪ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಜನರಲ್ ಅಕ್ಸೆಪ್ಟೆಡ್ ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಲ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಜನರಲ್ ಅಕ್ಸೆಪ್ಟೆಡ್ ಅಕೌಂಟಿಂಗ್ ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಲ್ ಇದೆ. ಬಿಫೋರ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ದ ಗ್ಯಾಪ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಮೀನ್. ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಲ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ what is principle? About this can understand that about the principle one of the definition is there. That definition is given by AICPA, American Institute of Certified Public Accountant. That give a definition about principle. Which one is according to principle? Define annaga according to anta baribeku. What is principle annaga without meaning, without this write the meaning. So that's why here can understand here principle. About the principle, one of the definition is there. The definition is given by the AICPA, American Institute of Certified Public Accountant. That is here expansion. Maybe answer one more. Expand AICPA. I already told in the first chapter. AICPA, expand accountant. according to accounting means na. Here you can understand here. Define the principle according to the AICPA. Here principle a general law or rule adopted as a guide to action. Okay, here action a settled ground or basis of conduct or practice. Yes, here what is principle? Principle it is a general law or rule adopted as a guide. Yes, here in the time in the preparation of the accounting certain rules and regulations are followed for maintaining as a guide to prepare the accounting. And then for the it is a settled ground or basis of conducted or practice. For the purpose of guidelines are required here for maintaining the accounts. Maintain for preparation of the financial statement. For that purpose we have to require certain rules and regulations. That is what is principle? Principle a general rule or law adopted as a guide to action or settled ground or basis of conducted or practice. Is called as rule. Is called as principle. Principle. Next one more is that not very important. GAAP, generally accepted accounting principles. What is generally accepted accounting principles? ಒಂದು ನಿಮಗೆ ನೆನಪಿರಲಿ. What is GAAP ಅಂದ್ರೆ meaning ಬರೀಬೇಕು. Expand GAAP means you can expand that. Generally expand GAAP, generally accepted accounting principles. What is GAAP? That meaning is there no? Say here what is that meaning of GAAP? The GAAP is here very simple. The GAAP is here certain principles or procedures are required to maintaining certain preparations of the account for maintaining the uniformity and consistency of the accounting. That time when the accountant prepared certain financial statement, that time you have to follow certain principles, procedure, rule. That principle we have to generally accepted accounting principle. Very simple. See here, what is the general accounting, generally accepted accounting principles? You know what? What does it mean? It refers to the rule or guidance. Generally accepted accounting principles refers to the certain rule or certain guidance adopted for recording and reporting a business transaction. For recording and reporting the business transaction in order to bring uniformity in the preparations and the presentation of financial statement. In the preparation and presentation of financial statement, it is called as GAAP. Now, what is GAAP? GAAP refers to the rules or guidelines adopted for recording and reporting of business transaction. Now, for entering the transactions regarding the business activities of the organization, but regarding where we can record here this, for example, purchase related activities, can record the purchase. Sales related activities, can record in the sales. We must understand how with the help of knowing the principles of accounting. So that's why it refers to the rules and guidelines adopted for in the organization. Certain rules and regulations are implemented for the purpose of whatever the activities are going on in the business for recording that kind of transaction in order to uniformity in the presentation of and preparations of financial statement. For the preparation of the financial statement, presentation of financial statement. We know what are the financial statements? Financial statement means here, what are the financial statement? Financial statements include what? Profit and loss account and balance sheet. Profit and loss account and balance sheet. This financial statement includes. So this is the meaning of GAAP. What is GAAP? GAAP refers to the rule or guidelines adopted for recording and reporting a business transactions in order to bring uniformity in the preparation and presentation of financial statement. Is called as GAAP. Meaning, what is GAAP? Expand GAAP generally accepted accounting principles. What what is generally accepted accounting principle? इधे बनेगा meaning 2 marks के अंदर 1 mark expand किया what are the financial statements? The financial statement includes profit and loss account, balance sheet. The financial statement includes this. So this is that. And then accounting principles we have different name. Accounting concepts, conventions, rules, and so this is that. So in this video we have to mainly concentrate about the expansion of the regulatory bodies that are maintaining the accounting policies, that is the ICAI, Institute of Chartered Accountant of India. Institute of Chartered Accountant of India. And then also, what is the meaning of GAAP? What is the meaning of principle? What is the expansion of GAAP? What is the expansion of AICPA? What are the alternative names of principles of accounting? About this, we can concentrate. Thank you.